guitarist, a singer-songwriter, and a composer. Welcome to this tutorial, Les Wanyika, Kajituliza, Kasuku. So I'm going to show you how to play that intro, rhythm. I'm going to show you how to play bass, and then I'm going to show you how to play solo. But if you are interested in learning how to play the solo for that song, as usual, meet me on YouTube. So this is how we play that bass. This is how you play that bass. Okay, this is how you play that bass. I was using the key of A. I was using the key of A. So this is how you play that bass. You see, that is how you play that bass. So very quick, this is how you play that bass. But this is not a bass guitar, you see? This is not a bass guitar. I wish I had a bass guitar. But this is how you play that bass. On a solo guitar, this is how you play that bass. This is the secret. I want you to play the key of A like this. This is the key of A, shape 1. Shape 1. I want you to play the key of A like this, shape 1. I want you to play shape 2. I want you to play shape 3. I want you to play shape 3. Shape 3 closed, shape 3 open. The one chord progression. But now I want you to play a power chord. Alright, so I want you to play the key of, let me show you this key. This is the key of A, so this is the A power chord. Alright, I want you to play for me the A power chord. Fret number 2, place your second finger on fret number 2. Like that. Place your third finger on fret number 4. Fifth string. Place your pinky finger on fret number 5. Sixth string. So what you're going to play here are these 3 notes. What you're going to play here are these 3 notes. This one, this one, this one. So A note, A note, D sharp note, and E note. A, D, E. A, D, E. A, D, E. So you'll play it. So you'll play Have you gotten it? And then another secret is that you're going to play the key of D. Do you know how to play a C major chord? So I'm like playing a C major chord, but hapa itaingiana, but I'm playing it on the key of D. So this one, I'm playing this chord, a D power chord, but now I'm playing it with some open strings, of which these open strings I'm not going to play them. So this is the secret. D, you remember sina makosa, and then right. So I want you to play first finger. I want you to play second string. First finger, I want you to play the second string. Battery low. First finger, I want you to play the second string. Second finger, I want you to first finger, I want you to play second string, third fret. Second finger, I want you to play fourth string, fourth fret, and third finger, I want you to play fifth string, fifth fret. So when you do, so this is the D note, this note. Okay, so play, and then repeat the same thing in the key of E. This is an E power chord. So key of E, play that note, key of E, fifth string, 7th fret, so that you sound So you have that. You've understood. And then repeat the same thing. Repeat the same thing and then release. Play the E note open. So play the open E. This one. Number 6, string number 6. Play it as an open. So you have. So that is how you play the bass for that song. Okay. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how to play now the intro and then the full rhythm. Okay. I'm going to show you how to play the intro and the full rhythm.